Hustisya, dayta ti ikis ti pamilya Bugarin ken ti nakaikapenganda asimbaan kag runana iti IFI ken UCCP para iti napapatay a membro ti pamilya ken membro ti sekta iti relihiyon ani Alvaro Bugarin III ni imunan ani report a napapatay iti asilig ti baybay iti barangay Naglikwan Pasukin Ilocos Norte. Basar ti statement iti parukat iti mangidada ulo ti simbaan ket naigitda akon kon dinaren tinabayag a panagna ti kaso ti biktima a membroda ditoy nga nikis ken insawang tina ni Alvaro III ti hustisya gaputa sa ana maklon tinapasamak iti anak na.
Church of Christ in the Philippines Northwest Zone Conference, United Church Workers Organization, a call for justice, a statement on the murder of DM Alvaro. When justice is done, it brings joy to the righteous, but terror to evildoers. In Proverbs chapter 21 verse 15. The OCO and WLC, or the United Church Workers Organization of the Northwest Zone Conference of the United Church of Christ in the Philippines, stands and joins the family, relatives, and friends of the late DM Diaconal Minister Alvaro Paredes Bugarin III to seek justice for his brutal and untimely death. DM Alvaro is a member of OCO and WLC. His lifeless body, according to police blotter, was found along the shoreline of Barangay Naglikwan, Pasukin, Ilocos Norte, last December 27, 2025 at 5:30 a.m. Died due to drowning and no signs of foul play. However, the OCO and WLC, the family, relatives, and friends of DM Alvaro are crying for justice and demanding impartial investigation into his death. We declare and assert that DM Alvaro was murdered. Signs of foul play are exposed by the photos of Alvaro's remains. The dismemberment of his sex organ, the contusion and blood stains on his face and some parts of his body convince us that he was tortured and murdered. We demand an end to killings and all forms of crimes. We call on the authorities to look into the killing of DM Alvaro and to hold those responsible for his unfortunate death. We demand justice. Our faith compels us to seek justice, love, mercy, and to walk humbly with our God. Amen. Whoever says to the guilty, you are innocent, will be cursed by peoples and denounced by nations. But it will go well with those who convict the guilty, and rich blessings will come on them. Proverbs chapter 24, verse 24 to 25.
Mainaig iti daytoy ket idawdawat ni Mrs. Rosemary iti nangarabit iti daytoy a krimen asumango kuman gaputa adto ti kayat da sa ludsuden ken kuana.
Mismo ko mga isulat aksupon ta ibagadat ti ginapudnunan tapno iti kasta malag-anan kami mudton. Tapno iti kasta agsaludsud kami no ape analauna iti basol na ten ranana pa imot imbes nga agragragsak iti New Year sir pinagbalin natin nagday sapay kumatanan tunot kasta di pagbalinanda. Nakarakaron ko kumapay.
Kabayatan na ng isayang kati caravan ken motorcade iti masek na grupo tapno maiparipirip dati hustisya para iti IFM News. Ay Dolores Martinez tatak, Amen.